Hey guys, what's up? So tomorrow is the Chicago Auto Show, and so I had a bright idea, kind of take you guys along and show you all the cool things that come along with the Chicago Auto thing. Yeah, so I used to go, well, I've only gone like twice, to be honest with you, but you know, I go with my brother and my dad. It's gonna be super fun, it's gonna be great, super stoked about it, it's gonna be awesome. So I'm recording tonight the day before because I don't know how to get up early. If I were to decide to do this tomorrow morning, this would never get done. So you're probably gonna see me looking like a potato, but you know what? For you guys, I'm gonna do it, so you're welcome. Yeah, I'm excited, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so we're finally ready to take on the world. It's gonna be great. Hey Sean, you wanna do a little OTD for me? Like, hold the phone. So we're just waiting. I don't really know what we're doing right now. I think we're waiting for my dad or if my brother's driving, but it's snowing real hard. I'll show you guys real quick. It looks it's kind of bad, but you know, we're gonna make it work for today. I didn't know it was snowing at all, so this is kind of bad. So I'll see you guys like in the car. We're in the car finally after 300,000 years. We're getting some Dunkin'. Right, Shayla? Yeah. God, I'm gonna get so.
I'll say it. Hi, can I get a medium sweetened iced tea, extra sweet?
Want anything, right?
Okay.
So we're gonna get that and we're gonna eat that and it's gonna be
They better
so
put
fun.
extra sweet liquid sugar or I will be. You're fine.
Sharon, how's your tea, man?
It's really nice.
Nice.
Like over like on like right on here on Lee, like right at that corner.
I feel really awkward right now. There's for sure people looking at me, but you know, it's fine. It's very cold, it's snowing. Jalen's ahead of me right now. Our goal is to get inside, so we're running. I don't know where my dad and brother is. I think they're behind me. Yeah, okay. See you guys inside.
But like this one was in a closet, so I just took it.
Nice. We love it. We love it, right, Jalen?
What do we love?
I don't know. I'm running. This is too cold for me. I can't do this. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. It's great.
My period is 8 days late, which means I might as well just be Virgin Mary.
Yes. Love it. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna sit in this.
So this one.
So I sat in a Corvette. It was solid. I won it. It was $80,000.
So maybe you.
So what's college?
want-
What's college? What's college? I'll just get the car.
You're right. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Okay,
I am right.
That color.
You
you like it? Do you like it? I do very much. Do you like the grip? Do you like the grip of the steering wheel? Yes, very much. I do. That's like wonderful. That's nice.
No, sorry, there's the release. It's this one right here.
Which one?
Here, I'm sorry, I'm not trying
It's fine. Do you want me to get out?
It's okay. You guys are fine. Let me just see what's the problem.
I don't know what just happened. United with a Lorax.
25 horse.
Nice, man. If you use 910,
Yeah.
very down low though. That's like very down low. Why was that speed up?
I'm kind of. Dad. What a god.
Is built on you. All right, your price though, which sports car have you been
Wait, he's running away from it. You have to go after him.
57 dealerships?
Dude, I'm just trying to say hi to the tiger. I know. Whatever that is. A leopard, I think. Follow me. Can I take a picture? Okay, so we're finally leaving. It was really fun. Got to see all these really cool cars. Got to sit in some cars, pretend to drive them, pretend that they're mine. But now I'm just ready to go home. We're gonna eat, and then I'm gonna sleep. And I'm really looking forward to that. Yeah, I'm really tired. But it was fun. I'm gonna stuff my face, and I'm gonna get fat. It's locked. Okay, now we have to walk back. Okay. Time to get fat. Mhm. Hey guys, so I ended up not making an outro just because I honestly forgot and also because I got really lazy. But I just want to say thanks for watching. That's pretty much all I really want to say because yeah, so yeah, thanks for watching guys. I'll keep you updated and make sure to watch out for more. Yeah, okay, bye.